Welcome to Buy Spares. In this video we'll be showing how to replace a mains filter in a Beko tumble dryer. Important: before replacing a part in any electrical appliance, you must ensure that the appliance is first unplugged from the mains. If your tumble dryer is tripping the fuse board or blowing fuses, the problem may be a faulty mains filter. Start by undoing these screws to take off the top cover. Lift the cover away and locate the filter on the back. Undo the mounting screws and carefully lift away from the back. Examine it for signs of burning, damage or blistering, or signs of leaking fluid. If any damage is found or the filter shows resistance from any connection to earth, less than 2 megaohms, then replace it by transferring the wires one at a time. Refit the filter to the cabinet and refit the top cover before retrying the appliance and checking the fuse if required. For all the spares you need, visit www.buyspares.co.uk.